In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling to click on Security and Privacy section. If you are struggling to find and operate apps permissions, don't worry, you are not the only one. So after accessing Security and Privacy, you need to scroll all the way down to solve your first problem. Because after entering more privacy settings available at the bottom, you can scroll all the way down again to access Permission Manager. So now, where you know what it is, it's time to know how to manage it. Firstly, pick any feature you wanna manage. Let's start with camera. Then pick one of your apps under one of those sections. Allowed all the time, allowed only while in use, or not allowed. Let's go with Firefox from not allowed one. Here you need to click on one of those options. Camera access for this app, allow only while using, ask every time, or don't allow. Now for example, I want to pick the first option and allow my browser access to camera while I'm using it. So when I tap here and go back, I can see that Firefox just gained access to my device's camera while I'm using it. But here's my favorite part. Not many people know that you can pick any feature. Just to look for an app you wanna manage. Like I will access microphone. To manage my Instagram, I need to tap on Instagram app and instead of picking one of those options, select See All Permissions here. Then manage all of those, only for chosen app, the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!